Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to earn camera watermark on your mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on camera. Then from here, what you can do is you have to click on this three line. Okay, after that you have to move on setting. Here is the setting, not this one here. Okay, then from here you are able to see the watermark, so just click on the watermark. Then from here you can turn on the device watermark. Okay, just turn on the device watermark, and after that try to click photo on your mobile phone. Okay, and the about your any model that your phone is, it will shows on your mobile phone. Okay, and if you want to set off, you just click on this icon again and it will be set off. Okay, if you want to on again, you can on, and if you want to off again, you can off from here only. Okay, just click and it will be off. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.